Score ERP is a comprehensive ERP system designed to help you manage every aspect of your business. Score ERP allows you to handle your accounting and billing, HR processes, as well as leads and deals efficiently. The accounting and billing module of Score ERP is flexible, enabling you to set financial goals, manage your accounting and financial resources, and access dashboards to monitor your business performance. Score ERP streamlines human resource management, covering hiring, payroll, time tracking, employee performance evaluation, and training and growth planning, all at your fingertips. The leads management feature helps you turn prospects into loyal clients, tracking all leads and deals in one place and setting KPIs for your team. Additional tools like project management and team collaboration make it easier than ever for business owners, freelancers, or developers, big or small, to manage operations efficiently. Score ERP can be fully customized to meet your business requirements. Submit a customization request, and we'll tailor the system to suit your needs. Take your business to the next level and transform it into a high-performing sales machine. Get Score ERP today or reach out for customization inquiries.